back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video we're going to talk about the proof of the exponent rule of logarithms. It states that logarithm of b of x to the rth power is equal to r times the logarithm of b of x. So let's first of all prove this formula. Before we prove this formula, I would like to introduce you the exponents. Now, first of all, if we first of all take, let's say, a number 3 to the second power, it means to take the number 3 and multiply it by itself 2 times. If I have number 3 and I take it to the third power, it means that I'm going to take it 3 times with itself, and so on. So 3 to the fourth power is going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and 3 to the fifth power, you know how it's going to go on. For a number x raised to an rth power means that I'm going to multiply x how many times? It's going to be r times, you know, because the exponent is r. So I'm going to put a dot dot dot. It will be r times. Okay, now since we have that, we can plug this whole expression, the x times x times x times x, inside our logarithm. So we would have logarithm of b of x to the r is equal to logarithm of b to the x times x times x times x, and so on, r times. Since we have this r times, what would it mean? Now, to go on and continue this proof, we would have to derive the meaning of the multiplication inside the logarithms, which I have already proven in another video. Look at the video, please. It states that the logarithm of base b of x times y is just equal to logarithm of base b of x plus logarithm of base b of y. So it's a sum of those two logarithms. Since we have this one, we can just sum up all the logarithms of x's, which would state that logarithm in base b of x to the r power is equal to logarithm of x plus logarithm base b of x plus logarithm of base b of x, and so on. And if I ask myself how many times that is the times I multiplied x by itself, r times. So this is also r times. And since this is r times added by itself, please look at the Daishinfinity video, which is in German. I'm sorry for the English speakers, but for the German speakers, I would recommend this video because I'm talking about the definition of the multiplication, which is just, you know, the addition repeated by itself. So since we have this one, we can just say logarithm of base b of x to the r power is equal to r times logarithm of base b of x. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you want, and we'll see us in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya.